yoga in nature from my front porch. So that was the mountain pose. And now I'm going to do the triangle pose. So that is feet wider than hip width apart. And then I'm doing the arm that goes same arm, same leg. Otherwise this would be like the crossover version. So the downward facing dog is feet just one step wider than hip width apart. I just realized there's some neighbors out in the front yard and they're gonna see me doing this, but I keep my arm out so that my head is level with my arm, doing the downward dog. And then a little bit of bend at the knees to swoop up, and then the pyramid pose is again a wider triangle with the legs. The leg that you are moving toward, the toe is pointed in the direction that you're moving, and the other one is more of like a brace, and it goes the same. It's in the direction where your hips are square. If you're facing forward, then you turn your hips. Both hands go on either side of the foot that you're leaning toward. And then your legs are staying straight. You're not going into a lunge or anything like that, but your knees aren't locked. They're staying kind of soft, but your legs are staying straight. So then this foot comes straight as if you're in line with your hips, kind of like an anchor. And then the way that you are leaning toward the ground, your foot is turned out, and then your hands are going next to and again I'm feeling a lot of the stretching in my hamstrings. So the last pose is the palm facing forward mountain pose. So we had some moving one of the kids today to their apartment, and a lot of errands, and now we're gonna do a movie with somebody who's home that doesn't live here anymore. So I'm gonna enjoy the evening, and that's why I'm doing yoga on the front porch tonight. Have a great night and enjoy life, everybody.